In today's video, I'll show you guys how to install a trainer in Watch Dogs Legion. Check my video description for this trainer site download link. Scroll down. Under standalone versions, select the latest version. Once download done, select the folder icon, right click on the trainer zip and select WinRAR and select extract to. Open the extracted folder and double click on the trainer exe. Select yes option. You need to open the game. Once you are in game, press Alt tab and open the trainer. Turn on the cheats you like to use. To show you guys the cheat is working, I'm gonna turn on this infinite ammo, no reload, and no recall, and then get back to the game. Resume, no recall, infinite ammo, no reload, everything is working. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.